Welcome to McGraw-Hill Personal Tutors. The graph shows the percent of favorite sports. A total of 300 students were surveyed. How many more total students were surveyed than prefer baseball? If you look at the graph, you can see that students answered 35% baseball, 15% of them had a favorite sport of tennis, 20% volleyball, and 30% football. We'll tackle this problem in two different ways. First, let's determine how many students prefer baseball. We can see that 35% of the students surveyed prefer baseball. So 35% of the 300 students prefer baseball. In order to find 35% of 300, we'll multiply the decimal form 0.35 times 300. 35% of 300 is 105. That tells us how many students prefer baseball. However, the question is how many more total students were surveyed than prefer baseball? Another way of thinking of that is how many students prefer something else. 300 students minus the 105 who prefer baseball would give us 195 students. Those 195 students prefer a different sport. The other way to look at this problem would be to find the percent or determine the percent who prefer something else. Which means 100% of the students were surveyed, 35% preferred baseball, which means 65% of the students surveyed prefer a sport other than baseball. From there, we're going to determine 65% of the total 300 students. Rewriting 65% as a decimal and multiplying by 300, 65% of 300 is 195. So what does this tell us? There were 195 more students who were surveyed than prefer baseball. Thank you for using McGraw-Hill Personal Tutors.